Alright. Yeah, that's call locked, so we gotta ride it up and back. We gotta hold it. This thing is interesting. It's a vintage elevator maintenance company elevator. Yeah, that's pretty cool. This is a nice elevator.
Pretty bad.
It sounds decent. I think someone else wants to ride it. There's no indicator.
Oh, it's
There's its info. The license on it is expired. Wow. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Does it close? Oh, it does. Okay. Let's see if I can call it. Oh, you can. You can actually call it. Oh, that's cool. That's a nice elevator. Alright, well, that will be it.